Hey everyone, Geoffrey here again. I'm back. So today guys, we're going to unbox this Huawei Mate XT Ultimate Edition. So luckily, we've got one and I'm going to show to you what's inside of this box. So basically guys, this is the global version. It will going to launch here in UAE, in Dubai soon, this February. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing. All right, so this is the red box actually guys. So once you open it, you will see this black premium box actually. It's a very premium guys. Has a logo here, Huawei Mate XT Ultimate Design. And now let's open it. So the box guys is super clean. See, it's a matte finish. So I have actually here the 1TB version with 16 GB of RAM, and this is the red color. Okay, so now let's unbox it. Actually it's sealed, so let's open. All right. Oh, so satisfying. So here actually guys, it's like a magnetic. So there's a magnet. Once you open it, it's a magnet. Now once you open this, you will see the phone itself. Oh man, it sits so you can see the full screen. Let's remove it on the box so you can see. All right, now let's put it set aside. Now let's see what's inside. Okay, so of course you will get here, this is the SIM ejector pin. Now it's mentioned here, this is the case, so let's open it. All right, so here, yeah, so this is the case. Man, the box is super premium. Okay, so this is the case. So there's some Chinese logo here. Let's remove it. Yeah, and guys, the clear is super premium as well. So there's some texture here, the backside, and there's a Huawei logo here, and this is rotatable. So you see, it's rotating stand. So it's a cover plus a stand as well. Okay, now let's put it there. Now here you will see the other box. So what's inside? Oh, it's a premium box. So here you will get the 66 watts fast charger. There's a 2 output. There's a type A and type C. And of course, this is a triple pin. And you have also here the type C to type C cable for fast charging. All right, and let's put it aside. And yeah, this is a dummy box. Okay, nothing here actually. So yeah, that's pretty much of what's inside of this Huawei Mate XT Ultimate Design. Now let me show you the phone. This is the one. Now let's unfold it, guys. So you can unfold like this, one, and fold like this as well. Oh man. And let's put the case. See here. Yeah. So this is the world's first trifold in the market, and also the world's slimmest foldable phone. This is just only 3.6 millimeter, guys, as you can see. So here on the back side, on the side, there's actually extended leather which is covering this screen. So yeah, it's super premium. All right, so guys, I'm going to share to you my full review of this, so please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified once I am going to upload this full review. All right, thanks for watching.